Samsung has now moved its internal testing of Android 16-based One UI 8 for the Galaxy S25 Ultra into the beta phase. Recently, the first public beta version of One UI 8 appeared on Samsung's firmware database. This initial public beta build for the Galaxy S25 Ultra carries the PDA version ZYEA, as discovered by Taram Vats. Although Samsung hasn't officially kicked off the beta program yet, it's expected to go official around mid-June or early July, likely during the Unpacked event. Last year, Samsung notably postponed the One UI 7 beta program, which led many Galaxy users to believe this would delay the One UI 8 timeline as well. However, Samsung now appears to be returning to its usual beta release schedule. While this isn't a fully public beta just yet, it strongly indicates that Samsung is steadily progressing with One UI 8 development. With the Galaxy S25 Ultra, it's likely to be among the first devices to get the update. So when exactly will the public beta be available? The One UI 8 beta for the Galaxy S25 series, along with the Z Flip 6 and Z Fold 6, is expected to roll out in June this year. This will likely happen ahead of the official software launch, which is set to take place alongside the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Z Fold 7. Samsung's emphasis on smaller, refined upgrades this year could mean the beta phase won't last as long as it did with One UI 7. Meanwhile, there are rumors of a more major update, One UI 8.0, potentially launching with the Galaxy S26 lineup next year. A new report even suggests the beta might kick off as soon as next month. The One UI 8 beta might kick off in June. According to Taram Vats on X, Samsung could begin the One UI 8 beta program as early as June. That timeline makes sense. Considering the expected public release window, the company would need a few months of beta testing to resolve any major bugs. So far, Samsung hasn't made any official announcements about the One UI 8 beta, which isn't unusual. The company typically keeps such details under wraps and only shares them shortly before the beta actually begins. One UI 8 will introduce Android 16 to supported devices, but it might not include many other significant changes. In terms of rollout, reports indicate that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7 will be the first to ship with One UI 8 pre-installed. Additionally, the Galaxy S25 series, which launched globally in January, is expected to be among the first to receive the One UI 8 update shortly after release. Samsung is pushing for an early One UI 8 launch to realign its update cycle, especially after the delays surrounding One UI 7. With no time left for a separate One UI 7.1 release, any minor improvements that were planned will likely be bundled into One UI 8, which is expected to arrive fairly soon. That said, I know talking about One UI 8 might frustrate some users, especially those still dealing with One UI 7. It's understandable. Many are still waiting for the One UI 7 update to reach their devices, and even those who have it are experiencing problems like battery drain, overheating, fingerprint issues, and more. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.